Tired of restless nights? The Mzoo Luxury Sleep Eye Mask is here to transform your sleep, especially if you're a side sleeper. Say goodbye to uncomfortable eye pressure, and hello to a truly restorative night's rest. Its revolutionary 13mm deep eye cups provide zero eye pressure, letting you blink naturally and keeping your makeup perfectly safe. Side sleepers, rejoice! The upgraded 15 degrees curved thin sides conform seamlessly to your face, eliminating uncomfortable temple pressure. You'll experience 100% light blocking, thanks to patented contoured eye cups, and deep 22mm nose padding that seals out every speck of light. Plus, the patented nose bridge cutout perfectly contours your nose for free breathing, ensuring no shifting or stuffiness throughout the night. Crafted from premium, fade-resistant fabric and air-hole memory foam, this mask stays super soft, cool, and breathable. If you're searching for the best sleep mask for ultimate comfort and complete darkness, the Mzoo Luxury Sleep Eye Mask is your solution. Don't wait. Grab yours on Amazon via the link below and start sleeping like never before.